Welcome to Slow Motion Experiments with Bazillion MOVs. Today I'd like to explain why I haven't been making videos. One, I think you can hear it in my voice. I'm very sick. And I've also been very busy. I just did a light show last night for a worship thing at my church. And we've also been taking care of a new member of the family. This is Bailey. This is our new dog. She's a Border Collie mix. There we go. Yeah. Come on, Bailey. She's 9 months old. It's okay. It's okay. No, you're just gonna lay down? Okay. Well, she doesn't want to sit up right now, so. But, yeah. It's a new member of the family. We've been taking care of her, so. Oh. So here's a bus or something outside. So. Yeah, videos are coming. They're on the way. But, here, babe. But, yeah, I don't have much memory on my phone, so I have to build the ship first, and then once I build the ship, I can get back to normal videos, but I'm going to have to delete some of the other videos first, and I'd also like to make a movie of the, of the two movies of the time-lapse. No eating the Legos, please. But, yeah, so obviously I'm gonna have to add some music to the original videos, so I have to, because I use YouTube to edit, so I have to add music to it off of YouTube, because you can't just take two videos and merge them together on YouTube, unfortunately. But, yeah. So, I gotta wait till my cousin comes down for that. So, and then he can teach me how to do it, and maybe he can help me do that. But, yeah. What's up, Danny? What's up? Smell something? I guess, yeah, just wait for new videos to come out, and, I'll have the ship video coming out soon. My cousin will be coming around, I think, like, a little bit after school, so, like, a little bit after June 19th or something. Oh, no, wait, they'll be coming June 28th, so around that time, he'll be able to help me making a new video, and then I can make the ship. But, until then, just keep on watching my old videos, I guess. And, yeah. I guess, thanks for watching. This has been Bazillion MOVs, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Right, Bailey? What'd you think? What'd you think? Was that fun? Yeah? Was that fun?